we should be able to do something that could be more of going to be helpful for our body and mind and soul. For example, instead of like going through Facebook and uh, you know, spending so many hours just scrolling, just looking what's going on. And I think a lot of people are guilty of that before sleeping, shopping, or just looking at different social media. I
Yeah.
think in terms of changing that energy into journaling, learning something, or perhaps praying,
Yeah.
meditating, yoga, those
Mhm.
are other ways where you feel in your body and soul with something that's more spiritual.